Hi everybody, it's your boy Seth K Bani coming your way with another freebie again. And if you haven't liked this video, you haven't subscribed yet, if you haven't commented, please do so. I'll really appreciate it. Alright, so let's go straight into this video. I'm going to give you PSD files, and then these are the files that I'm going to give to you. Okay, so these are them. Okay, then guys, please show me appreciation by commenting and by liking this video. If you think I'm giving you values, please do so. Do me that favor, do me that solid. Now guys, don't also rush to download the files. It's password protected, you will not be able to use it. I'm going to divide the password into 3, so get all the 3 passwords. Just watch the video, get all the 3 passwords, and then you'll be able to use it. Once you open it, the first thing I want you to do is to mute the topmost one. This one is a smart object. Okay, now this is the background, of course, and then you can see the top there. I decided to add all those overlays there nicely, and then added this one down there as well, just to give it some few meat there. This is the theme. It's totally customizable. You can double click on it and then just type in whatever you want to type. Alright, and then there's the photo. It's also a smart object. Alright, but guys, feel free. And then this is the name of the person, and then this is the details. You can see I neatly grouped everything in there like that. That's the logo. You can change everything. Okay, and then I added this one also to the theme, and then when I was done, I just merged everything together, and then I got this. Now when you are done, I want you to mute this. I want you to click on Control Alt Shift and then E all together. Okay, then click on it and then Control C to copy it. Once you copy it, Control C to copy it, double click here and then paste it in there by clicking on Control V. You can see just pasted it. Delete the one underneath it and then save it. Control S to save it. Once you are done saving it, it is going to reflect here nicely. Okay, now you can delete the one underneath it and then bring in this one. It will reflect in there nicely. The colors are going to be boosted up, and then the image is going to look quite nice like this. Okay, so this is one, guys. It's password protected, and so give me a like and then also comment as well. I want to hear your opinion. I want to hear your comments. So keep the layers. Yeah, let's keep the layers. Now I have already designed this flyer on my YouTube channel. If you want to know how to create it, it is in my YouTube channel. You will find it. Okay, and so this one also, I'm going to mute that one. Okay, let me see. Alright, so I'm going to mute this one, and then this is the solid color I introduced, and then this is the texture I added to it. Alright, and then this is the happy birthday in the background, and then the round name. Alright, everything is in there nicely. Nice composition actually. And so if you want to create this from scratch, if you want to learn how I did it, watch the video. You will get a sense of how to do it. Okay, it comes with the source files and everything. So there is it. Once you are done, merge everything like the way I did, double click on it and then paste it in there, and then save it and then close it. Once you close it, it's going to show here, and then you just hit it, and then you can see it's a smart object with camera raw filters, and so everything is going to apply to it. Alright, everything is going to apply to it, and then you also have to activate this one as well. So that is it for you with this birthday flyer. And let's see the next one. The next one is also another birthday flyer. Now if you are watching this video, probably I would have already uploaded this on my YouTube channel, so you can also learn how to do it. Okay, so let me close everything. I didn't really put these stuff in a I didn't organize it well. Let me organize it for you. So these are all part of the background. Okay, so I'm going to call it BG. That's the background. Alright, so you can see it in there. Now if you can't see it, definitely it's because of this, so you're going to hide it. Okay, we're going to hide this. Alright, so that is the background there for you, and then this is the image. Okay, but I brought the image in here, so we can easily delete this one, and then we're going to drag this one in there. Alright, so that's the image. You can see that's the image. Then there's the ring, and then there's the happy birthday. This is the date. This is the ribbon, and then this is the. I'm going to show you how to create it. Oh, I would have already showed you how to create it. Alright, so these are the glows. let me put it in the group. Let me call it glows. Okay, so that's the glows, and then you can see them, the very light ones. And then this is details. Let's call it details. And which one is this? Okay, I'll leave it there like that. Now this is the name, so I'm going to put it in a group. I'll call it name. Now once you're done, you merge everything together, you're going to get this. Okay, and you double click it and paste it in there like the way we did initially, and then once you activate it, it's going to come nice like this. Then add this to it, and then add this to it. That's simple, really that simple. So I'm going to save this one. Alright, so guys, please like this video for me. It's one of the things that I want you to do, but I can't really, like, I wish you would do it for me. I don't know how to convince you, but I just want you to do it for me. Just like this video and then just comment down below. Like, it really helps my video a ton. It's like you pay me. That's like, it's like you pay me back just by liking this video. It's like you've already paid me, you know, for what I'm doing. So guys, just do that for me. Alright, so now there's also that. Alright, the background and then the details, everything. You can find everything here neatly grouped there like that. I'm going to close it, go to the next one. Don't want this video to be quite long. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now these are all travel flyers or tour flyers. Alright, some study abroad and stuff. You can see all of them are there, and put all this in a group and call them background. PG background. Alright, so all these stuff are there. Alright, so that is it for this two. And then let me quickly go to the next one. Now these are fairly easy to design. I don't have it on my channel, but they are quite easy to design. You should get it. Alright, you can do this one, I believe so. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and that is it for you. Also neatly grouped, and put it in a group, and let me call it BG. Okay, so that is it also for you. There's it. You can see everything is neatly placed in there. The last one is this one. Let's see how it looks like. Players. Okay, you can see this one is also well grouped. Oh, it's the background there, then the location, then call, then study, then courses, then logo. That is it. Alright, so guys, you should have seen the password by now. And one more thing, guys, if you love what I'm doing and you really want me to do more of this stuff, alright, just pay me back, you know, by just liking the video and just commenting. Alright, so see you guys in the next one. Peace.